Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to show you how you can make a poster in Microsoft Word really quickly. So let us get started. So as you can see, I'm on Microsoft Word and currently this is a normal A4 document with 2 pages like that. So if you'd like to convert that into a poster and fill it with content like images and text and so on and so forth and customize it according to your own imagination and taste, let me show you how you can convert an A4 to a poster. What you want to do, guys, is switch from the home tab here in the top left to the layout tab, and after that simply click on size here under the page setup section and select your preferred layout. Poster should be, I assume, A3 or something like that. So let me scroll down. A3 here, for example, or you can go with more paper sizes by clicking on that button here, and after that go a bit more in depth here and switch from A4 to any of these preset layouts here. Like, let me go for A3 for the demonstration purposes, just like that. And that's basically it. You may also set a custom width and custom height here and confirm by clicking on OK here. You may also decide whether you'd like to apply that new layout to the whole document or only to selected pages. Here you may head over to the print options if your printer is connected to your document or to a computer, so that you may, for example, print your document. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.